Good morning, everybody. It is day one of the festival, and I think I'm only going to video today because the second day is usually the exact same thing, so I'm going to get as much video footage today as I possibly can. So this is the festival. Can't really see anything, can you? There's some tiny homes down there. And then we're all the way over here, all by ourselves, but the music hall is right there. So we're going to set all of our music stuff in there. And then out here, I'm actually going to set up all of our camping stuff so people can get a really good vibe of what it's like for us when we're camped in the middle of nowhere or in some BLM land or something like that. We're gonna set the stage out here for what it looks like for us being off grid, and then literally set the music stage in there. So it's gonna be a good day. I can feel it in my bones, all of my bones.
Close your eyes, get some rest. I'm by your side, lay your head on my chest. I know you've had a really bad day, but I'm right here, it's gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies ain't too gray, we're gonna be okay. Calm your soul, hold my hand, don't let go. I understand. I know it hurts, it wasn't fair. It's over now, so don't despair. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies way too gray, we're gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna
Everything is all done. We got the camping area set up. We got our merch table set up. We got Juno being cute.
We're gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go
Emily, what did we find?
out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies
Oh my gosh, I'm so glad you're here. Yes.
Yeah, we had those handmade from a girl at one of the markets we went to.
They're so
It could be for plants.
that is very true. Remember we had that other one that was so cute?
Hey Sawyer, come this way.
That's not bad at all.
Yeah,
These
man.
are 20.
We could put a plant in it.
Yeah, it's true. Do you want to pay $20 for a plant pot? I kind of want to like this.
And we've got Phil. Phil's here, and look what he's wearing. Oh, I'm coming in for a hug.
Any nannies that you haven't met. Nannies?
So Phil's one of our Patreon supporters, one of our best friends, one of our...
But he's a Patreon supporter first and foremost.
I was about to say, I don't know that I like that order, but yeah, I don't know. I mean, that's where it started, and then it turned into a friendship.
That's
So
true.
really what we're trying to say is if you give us money, then
You
we'll become
can
your
buy
friend.
our friendship.
You can buy our friendship.
Bill does it all the time.
So we have people coming in our bus. Do you want to be on the camera for like 10 seconds? Yeah. We got people touring our bus. Look at these guys. So that's about 80% of what we do at these festivals is people coming in, they check everything out, get inspired or whatever. I don't know why they come. Why do you guys come?
To check it out.
There you go, to check it out. So
Nail on the head, Shane.
So we're hanging out here with all of our new friends. All right, here's the pub. So our daughter's sleeping right now, but we're gonna open it soon. Thank you. Oh, hey, we love you. Hey! Ah, yes. And now you came all the way over here.
Just to see us.
Wait, do you live here?
No, I don't. I'm in California.
Wow, you came here for this? That's
Just for
amazing.
us. Just for you guys.
Okay, well, this is really important to know. We've never done this song before. All right, here we go. Of course, you gotta say that.
Well, you gotta tell people
All
the
right,
truth,
we've
Shane.
done this song one time before, and no, we've only done it once. No, don't listen to her.
Don't
And
listen to
it
him.
was like so long ago, we don't remember anything. So here it goes. After we just set this song up really well.
Their sponsors. They're just a really active influencer. Elements of that. Runs their sources. Oh, yeah.
Well, young blood thinks there's always tomorrow. I miss your touch on nights when I'm hollow. I know you've crossed a bridge that I can follow. Since the love that you left is all that I get, I want you to know if I can't be close to you, I'll settle for the ghost of you. I miss you more than life. And if you can't be next to me, your memory is ecstasy. I miss you more than life. Come on, skinny love, just last the year. Won't you pour a little song? We were never here. Mama, my, mama, my, my, my. Mama, my, mama, my, my, my. Oh, a young blood thinks there's always tomorrow. I need more time, but time can be borrowed.
I wanted to make a special mention of who's sponsoring this whole entire festival, or at least one of the sponsors, and sponsoring the fact that we're here is Battleborn Batteries. This whole entire bus, all of our lights, everything runs off of Battleborn batteries. Our fridge, our ACs, we got 2 ACs going on right now, and it's all being powered by Battleborn, and we're just so grateful for them. Those guys have literally changed our lives when it comes to traveling off-grid. So make sure you check the link underneath, you know, in the description and stuff, and we're gonna make sure to post our personal affiliate link where you can get some cool discounts and you can see all their solar bundles that they have. And they walk you through installation. They're there on call if you need help, if something, you know, isn't working the way you think it should or whatever. They're there to help you, and we've only got great things to say about those guys. And yeah, it changed traveling for us for sure. So grateful. Thanks, Battleborn. You guys are awesome. Thanks so much, everybody, for hanging out with us this week. And remember, please subscribe, follow, like, share, all that fun stuff. And if you want to get a deeper dive into what we do and support us and get some really cool things for supporting us, head over to patreon.com/Arbour season. We have all new tiers, all new stuff going on there. And so we got like a book club, postcards. We travel the country and find postcards for you guys. If your name goes on our bus, you get 30% off of all merch all the time. So many great things, I think, anyway. So we'll see you next week. Thanks for being here. You guys are awesome. And if you're watching this, Alyssa, thank you for having us as part of your lineup and for making us fired up about YouTube again. You're awesome. Bye.